Hey everyone! Today, we're diving into the colorful and ever-changing world of Berlin street art. Now, Berlin isn't just another European capital, it's a canvas that tells stories, stories painted on its every wall and corner. When you wander through Berlin's streets, it's like stepping into a live gallery, free and open to all. The East Side Gallery, once part of the infamous Berlin Wall, now stands as one of the largest open-air galleries in the world. It's a place where history meets creativity, where every spray-painted mural speaks volumes about freedom and change. But it's not just about the big names or the iconic spots. Every alleyway, every corner in Berlin has the potential to showcase something incredible. From Kreuzberg to Mitte, street artists have turned these neighborhoods into bursts of creativity. Kreuzberg in particular is pulsating with cultural expressions, often reflecting the diverse, dynamic community that resides there. One of my personal favorites is The Astronaut by Victor Ash, towering over Kreuzberg. It's more than just a painting, it's a symbol of exploration, of reaching for the stars, quite literally out of this world. And then there's the ROA's black and white animals that seem to watch over the city, each carrying a story of survival in the urban jungle. Street art in Berlin is ever evolving. Artists come from all over the globe to leave their mark, making each visit to this city a unique experience. The art here lives and breathes. It's dynamic, sometimes here today and gone tomorrow, which speaks to the very essence of street art. It's ephemeral, transient, like a beautiful whisper caught in the wind. So why does this matter? It's simple. Street art gives us a glimpse into the soul of a city. In Berlin, it challenges the norms, questions authority, and provides a voice to those who might not be heard otherwise. It's vibrant, it's raw, and it's incredibly inspiring. Before I sign off, remember, whether you're a longtime art aficionado or just someone with a curious eye, Berlin's street art scene is something you shouldn't miss. It's not just about viewing art, it's about experiencing it, feeling it, and letting it inspire you. Alright, that's it for now. Catch you in the next one where we continue to explore the unexplored. Until then, keep wandering, cheers!